What's up YouTube, it's your man Wilkes Official, and in today's video, we're talking about this Mustang Darkhorse. It's been a lot of talk about the Darkhorse. I know I'm kind of late with this video, so I do apologize for that, guys. I told you I was going to release this, and it took me quite some time to get this video out. But I did want to get this video out. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. But if you're already subscribed, do not hit the subscribe button. It will unsubscribe you. Let's dive into this video. And while we're getting into this video, guys, this Darkhorse in the video does have a 10R80 trans. So what that means is it's going to have a higher drivetrain loss. The manuals are going to show up with more power on the dyno. So I just want to let you guys know that before we even get to that part of the video.
463 horsepower and 360.
Shout out to Stang Mo for that video clip. Now, going back into the Darkhorse, I know some of you guys are going to be keyboard warriors. Oh, that Darkhorse isn't stock. It basically is, guys. Catback exhaust, that's not getting you a whole bunch of power. Now, that paired with some things can get you some power, but the dyno is basically a baseline, guys. Now, the reason why you're seeing different numbers for different dynos, they're not all going to read the same. There's no guarantee of that. There's so many factors that could come into play. Oh, the temperature of the engine. Oh, the temperature of the room. The moisture in the air. There's so much stuff that could come into play. Now, some of the things you may want to look into if you do have like a Darkhorse or S650 or the newest S550 2022 is a carbon trap delete. What that does is it helps your car breathe easier if that's legal for you to do. I don't know what your rules are in those states where you guys are at, but you may want to look into doing that because the carb trap, they say it's supposed to help get the exhaust fumes released out of the intake system, but I don't think it works that efficiently. I've seen some videos, done some research, and it just seems like it chokes up the car. And if you don't believe it choking up the car, go ahead and look at 2018 Mustang GT versus 2022 Mustang GT. There's a 10 horsepower drop in the 22 Mustang because of the carb trap. So the news is, the information is all there for you if you want to believe it or not. You can make more than 485 with the S650. Take the carb trap out. Easy power, free power. But looking at the Darkhorse, it's got that same thing too. So remember that. There's ways you can free up the power. The factory air intake system, yeah, it's good. The factory filter is good with some cars, but you know, you can put that can in, drop an air filter. And these cars basically already got a cold air intake from the factory. You really don't even need to buy it most of the time. But that's very impressive numbers from the Darkhorse, in my opinion. Are you going to see lower dynos in some different states and areas? Of course. Not all dynos are going to read the same. That is a wheel hub dyno, which is going to give you some of the most accurate numbers that you'll see. So that's pretty much it. GM guys, Dodge guys, let me know what you think about your dad Ford in the comment section. Let me quit playing with y'all. But no, for real, let me know what you guys think about this car in the comment section. I know there's some videos out there showing this car losing to a Camaro that's full bolt-on, but guys, that's not a fair comparison when you're comparing the S550 and the Camaro that are full bolt-on versus this car. First of all, it's a stock car. Second of all, it's only rated at 500 crank horsepower. So if you're dynoing at 450, 460 to the wheels, you're making more than 500 to the crank, and you're in a lighter car. Of course you should win. So that's not really surprising at all. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And what's the next vehicle that you would like to see? I did see Chevy looks like they're trying to do some cooking in the kitchen. They're not doing it with the Camaro, but they're trying it with other vehicles. Let me know if you would like to see that. And it's your man Will. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.